I'm trying to help some people out making these bee vacuums. I see all these people building these bee vacuums out of buckets and whatever. Some of them got to build them out of boxes, but they're cutting holes in the buckets and stuff, because the vacuum's creating too much suction, which you don't want. You don't want to kill your bees. You want to slow it down. But there's a better way to do this, I think. And I got a little demonstration right down here. Let me move the camera around, point it toward that, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. That should be good. There's one of these little shop vacuums right here. Okay, one you buy, like this is an older one, but it's the one like you buy at Home Depot. Then what you want to do, go to eBay and you can buy these things real cheap. They're called SCR speed controllers, silicon controlled rectifier. Okay, you buy one of them, you make a little box up or whatever, hook it in the power cord. This is an SCR speed controller. This is a 6,000 watt speed controller. It's wired. It's got the hot wire comes in over here. The neutral goes on this side, and that's a common. So both ends of the wire go to the neutral wire, and the middle wire right here is what goes out to the shop vac. The shop vacuum motor is a series wired motor, meaning, okay, the electricity goes through the outside or goes either way, and then it winds up going through the brushes back through to get back out of the motor. Well, the only thing that controls the speed of that motor is the amount of voltage you put into the motor. So this thing right here, what this does is it controls the voltage. So you turn it on. Yeah, it's going to come on in a second. See how slow that's going right now compared to this? About there is about what you want. You've got plenty of vacuum, plenty of pressure. You've got plenty of vacuum, you've got plenty of pressure. You won't never hurt the bees. It'll never go above that. You set it at, you can check the voltage on here if you want, so every time you go back, set it to the same voltage. But it's so simple, it plugs in your regular cord. The wall goes through the SCR controller, and from the SCR controller it goes right to there. You just put a plug in on here. I've got this thing running through it don't have to be, but it's running through a bridge rectifier, turning it to DC, because I've used this on a DC motor too. That's why I just because this motor will run on AC or DC, and its variable voltage will control the speed of the motor. You can't do that with a regular motor that's not wired. A drill motor, skill saws, all this stuff's got brushes in them. You can variable speed of routers. They make router speed controls. If you got one of them, use it. But if you don't have one of them, you want a cheap one of these. I think it's like $13 on eBay. You can get them cheaper than that too, But that's my 2 cents about it. That's the way to go with this bee vacuum. They're barely running. So if you got your bees in the bucket, you want to keep it cool, just turn it on real low. You can talk. You don't got to have this vacuum going, screaming your ears out. Once again, SCR speed controller, eBay. Hope that helps somebody out. I think it will.